Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This video covers my personal experience with Hostinga Web Hosting. Hostinga Web Hosting offers web hosting services for individuals and businesses, providing everything needed to get a website online. This includes shared hosting, VPS hosting, and cloud hosting, with features like website builders, email accounts, and various control panel options. Their website provides details on specific plans and features. They position themselves as a budget-friendly yet reliable option, emphasizing ease of use and competitive pricing. Their website highlights no hidden fees and various pricing plans to suit different needs. Availability is worldwide, and you can check specific region availability on their website. Now, let's talk about my personal experience using Hostinga. Getting started was a breeze. The sign-up process was straightforward, and their website builder was incredibly intuitive. I was able to set up my website in under an hour, even as a relative novice. Navigating the interface was easy, the dashboard was well organized, and finding the features I needed was simple. I particularly like the one-click WordPress installation. Performance has been excellent so far, my website loads quickly, and I haven't experienced any downtime. I did have a quick question about setting up an email account, and their support responded within a few hours via their live chat, which was very helpful. A pro is definitely the ease of use and the low price point. One minor drawback was that the free SSL certificate installation wasn't completely automated, requiring a small bit of manual configuration. Overall, I'm quite satisfied with Hostinga. It's provided a reliable and affordable solution for my website needs, and I'd happily recommend it to others looking for a user-friendly and cost-effective hosting provider. That's my overview of Hostinga Web Hosting. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Rome Tips for more reviews and tech tips. Check the description for any relevant links. Thanks for watching.